Kala ko patapos ito. Ba't hindi pa? Thank you so much, EJ Mix. Thank you, thank you. Mix na ako. Thank you so much. Hmm? What? Ah? Oh, good. Oh, at least. Not more. But you have stuff there also, right? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, that's it doing.
Not doing anything because very far.
Remember we had that piece of plywood sitting and that worked when it was there.
Yeah, but now it's removed. Oh, that's fine.
But I'm not